I'm sorry for that interruption. Bandicam only lets me do 10 minutes when I'm using it for free. So yeah, that sucks. But I'll continue where I left off. So I added my image here through quotation marks. I'm going to keep emphasizing that to you. Make sure you have these when you're like trying to put something like this, like a file in. Yeah, make sure you do that. Oh, I'll be sad. Then also, if your if your photo or picture or whatever, if you somehow for some reason won't show up, add Alt here, and then you can add some words, and these words will replace what the photo is. So like you can give people who can't see the photo a description of what it is. So I did creepy guy looking at some Epic Gamer style pizza, Papa John's pizza. And yeah. And so now I want to style my net site on the interwebs. And I'm going to use CSS for that. Using CSS, I can change font, size, color, etc. of words, plus I can edit links, change backgrounds, etc. But before we can do anything, we need to create a CSS page. And first, we need to create a notepad, which I did and so I'm going to open my little notepad, and this is and you have to name it whatever you want to name it, .css, and then after you do that, you have to link it to your HTML, so that way it'll apply, and do that with link_rel equals style sheet, and then you do ref and equals the name of your style sheet. So I did CSS.CSS. Okay, save, because you gotta save often, like I said before. Yes, and here we go. Now I have to go to my CSS file. Actually, no. Yes, my CSS file. Screw you, Fortnite. Go die. Okay. Oh wait, Fortnite already died. Get roasted. Ha! So let's change all the larger settings to a different color. To do this, get rid of all text color things in HTML, if you have any. And then in CSS, type H1. And then it's curly braces or whatever they're called. Because no one knows what these are called, right? Color, semicolon, not semicolon, colon, and the color you want. So I'm going to choose, maybe, let's try, gray. I want my colors to be gray. And then I want, of course, the semicolon, so that you need that semicolon so this actually works. You'll make me sad if you don't. Then curly braces to encase it. And now I can save it as a CSS file. I need that yes button. I'm gonna check this. Okay. And now I'm going to see what happens to my page. Ooh, look at that. See, now these big words are gray. That's pretty epic, right? Oops, wrong button. And so now I'm going to edit my paragraphs, and no, I'm not going to edit my paragraphs and headings. We do that. I can even do it for more stuff. Try it. try purple. And save it. I'll save it as a text file. Okay. Now let's just see what happens. That's purple. See? Don't eat that many Big Macs because you'll be fat like the H1 here. Remember that, kids. Okay. And so now, I change the font. I have to first go to previously written code in CSS. And after the color command, I have to do a little enter. Do a couple, because I like that. Not that many. Alright, okay, that. I'm now going to change the font. What I have to do, I have to do font, family, cool. Now the couple, you can look up the font families. WC School is a good place to look up all the font families. But one I know that I'm going to use is Vedana. I like it. It's nice. You also got to make sure you have that semicolon. Those who don't use a semicolon make me very sad, as their code does not work very well. And now another way that change the size of a font is with the font size command. You do font size and percentage you want it to be changed by. Let's change it by 200%. Because why not? I'm going to do the same thing with this. Oh, and there's also some of the main families are like sans, serif, and I think monotone. I'm going to try using some serif here. It's my font family. And let's try some font size. Let's say 300%. Let's try that. Okay. I can save. And I can go to my little tab. Fashion. See what's happened. Oh, oops. Oh, let's open it. Where? Aha. Look at that. Now, you see these? Let's change them a bit in size. Now H2 is even fatter than H1. H2's been eating too many Big Macs now, so that yeah. Or maybe he's been eating too many pizzas, like this guy. Probably makes more sense that he's been eating too many pizzas. This is probably H2 now. And now, also, let's look at the fonts too. See, there's Verdana, there's serif. Pretty sure Verdana is a kind of serif too. It's a sub family. Font families are kind of confusing, they're like families. Ah. And so now I can do the text alignment. Text alignment, maybe you can guess by the name. It aligns the text, which is that you do text align. Then there's right, left, center, which right, center, here. And you know what? Let's try right here. No, actually, yeah, right. I'm gonna save it as a text file.